The following is an AI-generated script derived from one of Bob Cochran's essays that likely made it into his books. The voice is an AI approximation of Bob's voice. This essay, and others like it, can be found on Bob's YouTube channel by searching for the handle @Clever2Wise. Please like and subscribe to help this work continue. Essay 11. Are we interdimensional? A growing convergence between scientific research and esoteric traditions suggests something remarkable. Humans may be interdimensional beings with capabilities far beyond conventional understanding. This perspective challenges the traditional view of consciousness as merely a byproduct of brain activity, and proposes instead that humans possess inherent interdimensional properties. The scientific foundation for this begins with a curious genetic observation. According to researchers, most all mammals on Earth have historically had 24 chromosome pairs within their cells. This reportedly included humans until approximately 200,000 years ago, when we suddenly had only 23 pairs. This anomaly suggests either intelligent intervention in our human evolution or that nature somehow accomplished the equivalent of a precise and delicate biolab genetic manipulation without a biolab. Some esoteric sources have proposed a third option. Our 24th chromosome pair wasn't eliminated, but was rendered interdimensionally undetectable by current technology. Supposedly, this hidden human chromosome will only become visible when eventually examined through a yet-to-be-invented cryogenic quantum field lens. Perhaps more fascinating is the proposal that human DNA functions as a sophisticated antenna and transceiver. Each person's trillions of DNA strands allegedly operate at one unique electromagnetic frequency, creating what researchers describe as a personalized cosmic radio station. This biological broadcasting system reportedly allows individuals to transmit and receive information on quantum and interdimensional channels. A person's biofield, sometimes called their Merkaba or aura, reportedly extends perhaps 12 feet in all directions. Since each person's biofield interacts with the magnetic field of Earth, which interacts with that of the Sun, we're all, quite literally, interconnected within a vast network. The reported send and receive antenna ability of our DNA also suggests that our consciousness may be able to directly influence physical reality through quantum level and interdimensional connections. Evidence for this may be found in phenomena like remote viewing, where individuals seem to access information about distant locations without using their conventional senses. Further evidence may include the ability of our consciousness to affect random number generators, influence the pH of water in sealed containers, and create measurable changes in Earth's magnetic field. In addition, the Global Consciousness Project has documented worldwide coherence patterns during major global events, suggesting that collective human consciousness may affect change as a unified field. Skills development. Advocates of the interdimensional view describe human evolution as an ongoing upgrade process. They suggest that as individuals explore and develop their interdimensional nature, reality becomes ever more responsive to their consciousness. That same effect can apparently be magnified in a group. This may point to nothing less than a species-wide upgrade, where in addition to technological improvements, humans are also gaining enhanced reality modification capabilities. What if the increasingly affecting placebo is evidence of that? Practical applications. Those who've pursued their interdimensional side have reportedly experienced enhanced abilities, including heightened intuition, the capacity to influence outcomes through focused intention, connection with others across physical distance, and even the option to interact with non-physical or interdimensional entities. These capabilities are said to be enhanced by what practitioners call sovereignty of mind, a developed state of consciousness. True integration occurs when individuals can access their interdimensional capabilities while still functioning effectively in everyday situations. As more individuals discover and develop their interdimensional nature, the collective human experience will likely shift. Hence, humanity may now be experiencing a species-wide awakening of capabilities that have remained offline for thousands of years. Early adopters may appear unconventional until broader acceptance makes such abilities more normalized. This would be consistent with other historical shifts, where initially radical ideas eventually become accepted. The experimental approach. Rather than requiring immediate belief, this interdimensional theory invites experimentation in the laboratory of one's own life. Individuals can test this hypothesis by operating as if they possess interdimensional capabilities. This may involve paying increased attention to intuitive impressions, noticing synchronicities, experimenting with conscious intention, and observing the results. Such experimentation could potentially reveal interesting capabilities that might be applied to life's challenges, whether through genetic anomalies, quantum field interactions, or consciousness based reality modification. The evidence suggests humans may increasingly possess capabilities far beyond our prior understanding. Hence, the ultimate question becomes not whether humans have any interdimensional traits, but going forward, how individuals will choose to embrace and utilize those traits. This may be exactly what humanity needs at this pivotal point in our history. What will it be? For more information on Bob Cochran's first book, Emerging Imaginal You, a time-traveling note to self from the corner of science and spirituality, or his second book, Hyperdimensional You, Surfing the Shift Toward Mastery, check out Clever, the number 2wise.com. That's clever2wise.com, or on Facebook, #Clever2wise. Feel free to also subscribe and like videos on Bob's YouTube channel, which can be located by searching for the handle @Clever2Wise.